Very good afternoon to the student of class UKG. Welcome to the activity book class. Today we are going to complete our small cursive letter, and with the help of this we are able to frame the three words. The remaining was your W, X, Y and Z. Okay, so we will see this today. Besides this, we will also see the mismatch exercise which we need to match the letter with the pictures of both page number 20 as well as page number 21. Okay, so one by one we will do that. But before that, I would like to wish everybody a very safe life. Hope so you are with your parents in a good conditions, and without any urgent work, please do not step out from your home, because now it is spreading drastically, COVID-19. So in order to protect yourself and preserve yourself, so it is best that you stay at home. So with this assumption, we will start the chapter, and I presume you will write it in a good handwriting. So let us see what do we have on our board. One I have already done for you, and the remaining two I will do in front of you, okay, with your permission. So come on, let us check it out what we have on our board. So we are having W for watch, X for Xmas-tree, Y for yacht and Z for zero. Okay, so how do we spell? W-A-T-C-H watch, X M-A-S Xmas, T-R-E-A tree, Y-A-C-H-T yacht and Z-E-R-O zero. So the remaining two words have been left out. Let's frame it out and complete this work. So let us see what do we have for the other word for W. तो दूसरा word क्या है हमारे लिए? तो woman, W-O-M-A-N, woman. इस तरह से सुंदर से हम लोग लाइन के बीच में लिख लेंगे woman. उसके बाद W for क्या लिखा गया है? water, W-A-T-E-R. ओके, इस तरह से मैंने T को कैसे फर्स्ट लाइन में टच किया और यहाँ पर H को कैसे टच किया, ये सब चीज देखना है. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज योर Xmas-tree. देन वी आर हैविंग X-ray, X-R-A-Y, X-ray. ठीक है. एंड देन फिर लास्ट लाइन में मैंने किस तरह से Y को फोर्थ लाइन में टच किया, उसके बाद इसकी पूंछ को ले जाके सेकेंड लाइन में ड्रॉप कर दिया, ये भी देखना है. एंड देन वी आर हैविंग xylophone, X-Y-L-O, xylo, फिर P-H-O-N, इस तरह से पढ़ेंगे xylophone. फिर Y से yacht है, फिर Y-A-K याक है हमारा. ठीक है, लाइन के ऊपर नहीं जाना चाहिए, बस लाइन के अंदर ही रहना है याक. और फिर Y से हमारा यो, इस तरह से हाइफन दे देंगे बीच में. फिर Z से जीरो, फिर Z से हमारा जीरो है, जिप है, Z-I-P जिप. और उसके बाद हमारा क्या है? Z-E-B-R-A ज़ेब्रा. ओके, तो चलिए एक साथ पढ़ते हैं किस तरह से लिखे हैं. एक पहला वाला हम लोग पढ़ चुके हैं. नेक्स्ट वन W-O-M-A-N woman, W-A-T-E-R water, X for X-ray, X-R-A-Y X-ray, फिर X for xylophone, X-Y-L-O xylo, P-H-O-N-E Y for yak, Y-A-K yak, उसके बाद Y-O yo-yo, Z for zip, Z-I-P zip, और Z for zebra, Z-E-B-R-A zebra. इसके साथ हम लोग ये एक्सरसाइज खत्म कर दिए. वी हैव फिनिश्ड दिस एक्सरसाइज. नाउ कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज, जहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है जॉइन द लेटर्स विद देयर पिक्चर. तो अभी हम इसको बोर्ड पे करके बताएंगे आपको हम लोग किस तरह से करेंगे, साथ ही में करेंगे. ओके, सो लेट्स सी व्हाट डू वी हैव ऑन आवर बोर्ड. So what is written on the blackboard? It has been written join the letters with their pictures. Okay, so there are different pictures here in both the boxes, and in the square, between the two squares we are having the different letters in a small letter. Okay, and these small letters needs to be now linked up. That means join the line with the picture. Okay, so letter को हम picture के साथ मिलाएंगे. Okay, so let's see what do we have for the first letter. तो पहला लेटर हमारा क्या है? E. Okay, तो E से हमारा क्या आएगा? E से let's see what is the word which comes from E. E से क्या आएगा हमारा? What ई से क्या आएगा, ओके ये आ जाएगा, ये हम लोगों को मिल नहीं रहा है, सो वी विल सी इट लेटर। पहले जो मिल रहा है उनको मिला दें, ओके। तो हम लोगों को जी से ग्रेप्स आ रहे हैं, हम लोग ग्रेप्स को मिला लेंगे, ओके। उसके बाद हमारा जी काइट आ रहा है के से ना, तो यहाँ पे काइट है, टेक अ लॉन्ग लाइन, ओके, एंड देन वी मेच हियर। सो पुट एन एरो इन बोथ द साइड, लेटर की तरफ भी एरो देना है, पिक्चर की तरफ भी एरो देना है। उसके बाद हमारा क्या आएगा, सी फॉर कैट, ओके। तो ये बड़ी लाइन से हमको सी की तरफ मिलाना है, सी फॉर कैट। एल फॉर लैम्प है हमारा, तो यहाँ से हम लोग एल मिलाएंगे, एल फॉर लैम्प, दोनों ही तरफ हमें एरो मार्क्स देंगे, ठीक है। उसके बाद हमारा एफ फॉर क्या आएगा, एफ फॉर फिश, ओके। तो ये फिश है और ये लेटर आपका एफ है, इस तरह से हम लोग इसको लाइन मिला देंगे, ठीक है। एंड देन आई फॉर आइसक्रीम, ओके। सो इन द समर डेज वी लव to have an ice cream, I know that. I for ice cream. Then A for apple. A for apple हमारा इस तरफ है, so we have to take a long line and straight line will be possible only with the help of a scale. Okay, so use your scale. उसके बाद हमारे पास क्या है, M for monkey. इस तरह से हम लोग monkey को मिला देंगे, M for monkey. And then we are having L, no? L for after that we are having J for joker, then we make here joker, J for joker. And then we are having B for bat, okay. So this is our bat. Take a long line and put it arrow in both the sides, okay. And then we are having H for hand, this is a hand, H for hand, okay. Then M for monkey we have done, then D for dog, इस तरह से dog को मिला लेंगे, D for dog, ना. And then what do we have left out, E for we are having anything, we have finished everything now, I think so. So let's see what do we have, what has been left here. We have done everything. We have done fish. We have E for elephant. Yes, the elephant is the one which we have not got it. So now we got the big thing, that is an elephant was missing. So let's see what do we have matched. E for elephant, then we have L for lamb, then F for fish, then G for grapes, B for bat, M for monkey, D for dog, J for joker, H for hand, K for kite, A for apple, and I for ice cream. So we have completed this box. Now let's see what do we have in this box. So there is an owl in the first picture, so we will match O with owl. In the second picture we are having the picture of a queen. So let's see what do we have, queen, Q, we will match it with a Q. And then we are having watch, so let's see W is here, so we will match with W. Put an arrow on both the sides. And then we are having tiger, so let's see T is where, so it is in the bottom here, so we'll match T with the tiger. And then we are having Z for zebra, okay. So where do we have Z, here is a Z, so we'll match this with zebra. And then we are having ship, no? This is the ship, so let us see where is S, here is our S, so this is your ship. And then U for umbrella, then U for umbrella, we'll match with U. Then R for rabbit, so this is our R here, we have to take a long line and see that the line is straight and put an arrow on both the sides. Then we are having yak, one for yak, okay. And then we are having X for Xmas tree, okay, X for Xmas tree. And then what is left, then O for owl is left, owl we have matched. The N for nest, right in the corner we are having nest, here in the corner, so we will match it with nest, okay. And then what is been left here, V for van, this is your van here, this is your van, okay, so this is your van. Then T for Xmas tree. Then this nest is finished. Then T T for tiger. T for tiger has been made. So we have completed. We have completed. So let's see. N for nest. P for parrot. R for rabbit. O for what we have written? O for owl. Z for zebra. W for watch. Y for yak. T for tiger. X for Xmas tree. V for van. U for umbrella. S for sheep. Q for queen. Okay, so this is also completed. So with this we have completed page number 20 and 21. So hope so you have done in a proper order with the help of your skills. So till the next time, stay fit and fine at your home with your parents, and good luck and see you next time. Thank you very much.